Hello everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to my channel. I upload videos weekly, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so don't miss any of my uploads. So for today's video, as you've seen in the title, I am going to be reviewing two new products from Dior. This is the 5 Couleurs Couture eyeshadow palette. I've already reviewed some of the shades from this collection. I've already reviewed the shade Grand Bal, Soft Cashmere, Jungle, and Black Bow. So I'll have all the links of those reviews down in the description box so you can check them out later if you want. So yeah, for this video, I'm going to be reviewing the shade 76922 and the shade 679 Tribal. So from the first four that I already reviewed, the 5 Couleurs Couture eyeshadow palette, I've already know what to expect. From what I remember them all being gorgeous. They're all easy to work with. They all blend nicely, and they're very smooth and creamy, almost creamy. So that's what I'm expecting from these two. So now let's start opening this up. I'll start with the shade Tribal. So this is the shade 679 Tribal, and it's the same as the other four. From the packaging, you have the suggested guide here for a soft look and an intense look. As you can see right there, this is for a soft look and an intense look, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to do a soft look and an intense look for both of the palettes. So this is what the packaging looks like. Again, it's very sleek. I very like it. It's very compact. They're easy to travel with. You already have a mirror in here, two little brushes. Very cute, sleek, compact. Love. These are the brushes that it came with. You have the little Dior logo on here. Please excuse my nails. I don't have any fake nails on. They're a mess, but that's okay. And also, please excuse my bumps and shits on my face. I'm just a mess right now, to be honest. Now let's take the plastic sleeve off, and you get these gorgeous shades. I'll zoom you in. You get these gorgeous shades. Again, this is in the shade 679 Tribal. This has the suggested shelf life of 6 months. So now I'm just gonna do some swatches, starting with this shade right here. I find this shade really pretty. It's like a peachy, orangey shade. That's very cute. I think that's very pretty, and again, from what I expect, I'm right. These are very smooth. So next, I'm going to be swatching this shade. That is very pretty. I love the shine. Next, let's swatch this shade. That is gorgeous. This would be like a perfect transition shade or a crease shade. Now let's proceed with this shade. Wow. Again, these are super smooth. I really love the consistency, the formula. And then last, this shade is the darkest. So these are the shades. They're very gorgeous. I really like them. And now let's do this one. This is in the shade 76922. Tutu, that's a very cute name. So it's like the same sleek, compact, easy to travel with packaging. It's very cute. You have the mirror, the two little brushes that has the Dior logo. And let's take off the plastic sleeve to see the gorgeous shades. So these are the shades. I can say so far from all the Dior 5 Couleurs Couture palettes that I have reviewed, this is the most appealing or attractive to me. So now let's do some swatches. I'm going to start with this shade right here. It's very pretty. I'm not sure if you can see, but it has some pink glitters on there. It's very pretty. Next, let's do this shade. That is very pretty too. These are just so smooth. I love it. Now let's do this shade. And then let's proceed with this one. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous. And then last, let's do this shade. There. So these are the shades of the Tutu. These are all the shades of both of the palettes. They're very pretty. I swear this one I'm really into. Like, the colors are just gorgeous. So again, now that we're done swatching, I'm now going to start doing my eyes. I'm going to start with the tribal. So I'm going to do a soft look on one eye and an intense look on the other eye. I'll start with the soft look. So for the soft look, I'm going to be using this 3 shades on the top right here as suggested on the packaging. I'm going to start with this shade right here in the middle. I'm just going to buff and blend this on my outer corner, working my way into the crease, just buffing and blending it out. And then using my finger, I'm going to take this shade right here and I'm going to pack this onto my lids. And then going back with my brush, I'm just blending the edges. And then with a small packer brush, I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to put it on my inner corners. And then I'm going back with this shade in the middle and I'm going to put it under my lower lash line. So the first soft look is done. And now let's move on to the other eye. I'm going to be doing an intense look. And for the intense look, I'm going to be using these 3 shades right here on the bottom. I'm going to start with this shade right here. And I'm going to buff and blend this out, starting from my outer corners, working my way into the crease. And I'm not being precise with it, I'm just putting it all over basically. And then using my finger, I'm going to be taking this shade and I'm going to pack this all over my lids. Going back with my brush to blend. And then I'm going to be taking this dark shade right here and I'm going to be putting this on my outer V. Again, using this shade, I'm going to put this under my lower lash line, but just on the outer half. And then with a small packer brush, I'm going with this shade again and apply it on my inner corners. So this is the soft look and this is the intense look. So just like the first 4 that I have already reviewed from the 5 Couleurs Couture Eyeshadow 2020 collection, these are very pretty and they're very easy to work with, they're very smooth, and I think you can get a lot of looks with it. So yeah. I'll just remove this so we can move on to the other palette. So my lids are now clean and ready. They're primed they're ready for the Tutu 769 Tutu. So first I'm going to be doing a soft look, which I'm going to be using these shades here at the top, this first 3 shades. And then on the other eye, I'm going to be doing an intense look using the 3 shades right here at the bottom. So let's start. So first I'm going to be starting with this shade. And then I'm going to buff and blend this on my outer V and onto my crease. This shade is very pretty. And then next I'm going to be taking this shade. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to buff and blend this on my outer V, bringing it a little bit onto my crease, like so. And then using my finger, I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm going to pack it here on my lid. And then I'm putting some on my inner corner as well. And then I'm just going back with my brush. Make sure there's no like harsh lines or anything. Make sure everything is blended out and seamless. And then I'm going back with this shade. And I'm going to put it under my lower lash line. So this is the soft look. Now for the intense look, I'm going to start with this shade. And I'm going to put this all over my lid, starting from my outer V, working my way in. And then using my finger, I'm going to be taking this shade. And I'm going to pack this all over my lids. This shade is super pretty. Now I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to put it on my outer V. And still with this shade, I'm going to put it here under my lower lash line. And then I'm going back with this shade. So you guys, I have reviewed 6 of these already, 6 of the 5 Couleurs Couture eyeshadows from Dior. And all I can say is I'm not sure which ones are still on stock and which ones are out of stock, and I'm going to pack it here on my inner corners. So this is the soft look and this is the intense look. I'm just going to finish the look with some eyeliner and mascara, then I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like with eyeliner and mascara. This is the soft look and this is the intense look. But I'll have the link down in the description so you can check it out. And if you see one that's on stock and you like it, go ahead and grab it because these are so worth it. I loved every single one of them. And you get your money's worth because just from 5 eyeshadow colors, you will get a lot of looks. Again, they're very easy to work with. I have no problems at all, except that when I build color up, they tend to have a little bit of fallouts, but nothing crazy. You can barely notice it. They still look very pretty and gorgeous. You can wear this day or night, whatever. They're just very pretty. Again, you guys, this is Tutu and this is Tribal. So again, I've already reviewed the Black Bow, Jungle, Soft Cashmere, Grand Bal, and now Tribal and Tutu. I'll have the link down in the description box so you can check them all out. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe. Bye!